welcome back to my channel. I'm Sheila of Bountiful Cook, and here on my channel you can find delicious and healthy recipes to inspire you every week. So for today, as you can see, I have this delicious beetroot juice recipe, and not only is it healthy, but it's delicious and it's super nutritious. And I will give you guys all the insight into all the benefits that you can get from drinking this juice later on in the video. But I also wanted to let you know that I have a timestamp on this video so you can forward on to the section that you're most interested in. But without further ado, let's go ahead and make this juice. That out. A little bit better now. Okay, so now that we've washed our beetroot, what you want to go ahead and do is to actually just scrape off or peel off the top layer of the beetroot, just like this. Shouldn't take you too long at all. And make sure that you are wearing something that you don't mind getting stained, because beetroot can be very, very staining. Okay, so just hold it firmly on the board. Go ahead and slice it, holding the knife firmly. Off it goes. Turn it over. Slice the other end off. And here you have your beetroot ready for the juice. So we'll just do this to the rest of them. And just cut the beetroot into chunks. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just chunks like that. Just makes it easier to go into the juicer, or if you're using a blender, it does the same thing too. And prep our apples. So what I normally do is to just find the most balanced side of the apple and go ahead and wedge your knife into the apple, work your way down, cut it into two. Okay, like that. I'll just cut off both ends. Like that. And then from here you can just cut it in half and half it again. Apples are done. You can just set these aside. Quickly go ahead and prep your lemon. So you want to first cut off both tips like that. Place the lemon firmly on the board, and you can go around it with your knife to get rid of the peel like that. So it should look like this. Don't worry about these, they're okay. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is to just half it and then cut it into quarters like that. So we're just going to use one lemon, and what I'll actually go ahead and do is to use one peel so we can have that nice zestiness in the juice. Okay, all our ingredients are nicely prepped, so now it's time to juice. All right, so we are ready to start juicing. As you can see, I am using the Philips juicer. It's easy, it's fast, and it's super convenient, and also very easy to clean up after you're done juicing. So we're going to start with our apples. Turn on the juicer.
Alright, so while we make this juice, I wanted to walk you through some of the potential benefits of drinking this on a regular basis, or as your body and your health permits. Now, this is one of those juices that can really help with improved gut health and just overall gut and digestion health, and that is a very key component to just overall wellness. And if you are trying to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, then managing your gut as much as you can is very important. And you may also find that this particular juice recipe would help with your immune system, so it may boost your immune health. And all of this obviously is based on your current health circumstances, but of course you can always check things over with your doctor whether you can have some of these ingredients in your juice. But I definitely found with myself when I was going through my major weight loss journey that by drinking juices in the morning or over lunch with my lunch, that it really did help the way I felt in my overall health. So this is definitely something that I would highly recommend. But on top of that, you will find that this particular juice recipe is packed full of antioxidants, iron, as well as magnesium, amongst other amazing vitamins and minerals. So whichever way, it is absolutely worth a try. Now, if you love juice recipes, I do have quite a few on my channel that you can look at, and of course thumbs up if you're liking this video so far. But you can also find more amazing recipes on one other channel that I absolutely love, which is Natural Recipes here on YouTube. And there's one particular one that I love, which is called Mix Celery with Beetroot, and it's just such a lovely video and a great recipe too.
Right, so our juice has been sitting in the fridge for around an hour and a half. I've given it a nice stir because naturally the fibers do go down to the base of the jar, and we're just going to pour this up so we can give it a little taste test. Okay, time for the taste test. Okay, so it's time for us to sample this delicious and healthy beetroot juice recipe. It is absolutely divine. It's so refreshing, and because we've left it in the fridge, it has that nice taste that you get when you have a nice cold drink. It just tastes so much more better than it did when it was at room temperature, but it's entirely up to you how you drink it. Whichever way, this will still be equally as beneficial to your body. So I know I've already stated all the great things that come as a result of drinking this amazing health juice on a consistent basis, and as always, make sure that your dietary requirement allows you to drink and have the ingredients that we've put in this recipe. But guys, all I can say is I highly recommend making this juice. Like I said, it's super beneficial, packed full of vitamins and minerals, and not only that, it's delicious as well, and it looks pretty good. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And most importantly, if you want to see more delicious juice videos like this, then you can turn on your notification bell so you're alerted when I post a new recipe. But you can also click on this playlist over here and watch all the juice recipes that I have on my channel. But until next time, here's to good life and good health. Cheers.